Manam TV Business Personal Promotions. For more information, call us 86889 46778.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, have you spoke to
Hello.
Raj?
What?
बात किया राज से?
मैं क्यों बात करूँ उससे? I'm busy in my work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just don't want you to trouble my family. That's why I'm answering your call. That there's no other reason. And please don't trouble them.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'll warn you, whoever you are talking to, they are criminals.
Who am I
And-
talking to?
I don't know from where you got those pictures. They are criminals. They are behind bars from last 4 years. They are my stalkers who stabbed me. So I just want to warn you, be careful. That's it.
पुलिस ने
That
दिया
has
मेरे
nothing
को.
to do.
पुलिस ने दिया मेरे
What?
को. कॉप्स ने दिया मेरे को.
Police will never give.
अच्छा.
Police will never give.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know that. I know.
Cops
Cops will never do that. Whoever you are talking to, they are not right people. So
Then
be
who
careful.
told me about the CM? आपका पापा का CM है बोल के कौन बोला था फिर मेरे को?
I don't know who said this. You are saying this to me. I don't know whom you are talking to or whom you are having a conversation with. But this guy is a criminal. I have nothing to do with him. I had no relationship. If they wanted to prove that relationship thing, they could have done it 4 years back in a court. They have nothing against me, and they are doing this. So please stay safe. And I have nothing against you. I have nothing
Stay
against-
safe. मेरे को वो लोगों से क्या प्रॉब्लम होता?
वो लोग क्रिमिनल. तुम सोच के देखो ना. आई एम वार्निंग यू बिकॉज यू आर अ विमेन. This guy, I didn't even know him. I met him first. I'll tell you the whole story. I met him first in Neha Kakkar. You know Neha Kakkar, singer, that women production house. He was the EP there. He approached me for a song. I met him 2 times for a meeting, and after that he started stalking me. I met him first time in the month of August or September, first time, and he stabbed me in October. 2 महीने में किसी का रिलेशनशिप होता है? अगर रिलेशनशिप होता है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो दे हैव सम चैट कि आप लव यू बोल रहे हो, किसी को कुछ बात कर रहे हो. दे हैव नथिंग अगेंस्ट मी. सो हाउ दे कैन प्रूव अ रिलेशनशिप इन द कोर्ट? इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. ही इज अ कंप्लीट स्टॉकर. ही स्टैब्ड मी 3 times, one in my stomach. He cut my finger. So that's why I'm telling you, I was hospitalized for 1.5 months in Kokilaben. So these people are criminals. Just be careful if they are, being in touch with you, or you.
I am not in touch.
They are convincing you. So I'm just warning you because they have they have done a lot of crimes. They have a lot of criminal cases on them. So if they can stab a girl just because she rejected a proposal, so they can do anything. So I just want to warn you that be careful and please don't trouble my parents. And they have nowhere related to Raj and they have never met them. Yeah.
Okay. So then why did he
Yeah.
came to Mandi?
Who told you he came to Mandi?
He himself
Who
told me last year only.
Raj told you?
Yeah.
Raj told you?
Raj told me about he came to the Chennai Pondicherry also.
Where he came?
Pondicherry. हाँ.
Who told you that I was in Pondicherry? You are just creating it.
Creating
Who told
what? Creating. Wait, I'll tell you the dates also. Wait.
you? Yeah. Tell me when he told you.
Wait, yeah.
I didn't met him in Pondicherry. I didn't met him in hometown. I didn't met him in Mumbai. Nothing.
Where were you guys? Where were you?
What?
Where were you at? Wait. Where were you on 11th of May?
When?
11th of May?
11th of May.
Yeah.
I
So
was,
before asking this, what to do, what should I do, what you will do actually, what you will do if I prove everything.
Yeah, do anything.
Yeah,
No, I will do
yeah. Before I take this step, I need I need this confirmation from you. So you tell me,
Yeah.
what
Tell you
what
what?
will you do? Will you send Raj back to my home?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Answer me then. Where were you on 11th of
Yeah.
May?
I was shooting. I started my shoot of
Okay,
new film.
where?
Mostly I was in, I think, South only. I was shooting in Coimbatore or somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah. My new film started on 3rd of May and it went till 10th or 12th of June. 12th of June. So I don't remember. I was busy I was shooting 3-4 different locations. I was not in Bombay. I was only shooting.
Okay.
I was shooting my birthday. My birthday was 22nd May. I was shooting on my birthday. Raj so didn't even wish me on my birthday. He
And
didn't even call me.
And when is that?
What?
When is your birthday?
22nd May.
Okay.
Yeah. He didn't even call me. He didn't even wish me.
Okay.
I was shooting on my birthday from night 12 to morning 12.
Okay. And where were you on 27th May?
27th May. I told you, I was shooting constantly from 3rd of May till 10, 12, 15 June, I think. 15 June. At different locations.
Yeah, but you can check your calendar. No, very easy. When I opened, and when I am asking, you can also, maybe you can simply open your photos gallery and.
What dates are you checking? You are checking about Raj. What he told you about me, tell me that first so I can talk to him clearly what he said about me. Tell me that first.
I don't know why is this game. Do you even understand? I filed a case against you. You will get
me?
Yes, you will get a call tomorrow, and it's gonna come on the media as well. When my life is damaged, I won't even think about anyone's life, especially Raj also. I don't want money, I don't want house, I don't want anything. I sacrificed everything for this man, believing that he will be there no matter what. And he left the house. I was not even disturbing his personal life. But whenever he's coming and meeting you, when he's coming back from you, I am unable to take his shit. He is only pressurizing because of you, so you are my problem.
How do you know that he's meeting me? From where you getting this information?
See. If you think from past 2 months, मैंने चुपचाप से बैठी हूँ बोल के. If you think I'm dumb, I don't have I can't hear you.
Why you are calling and disturbing my family? Why?
Why are you talking to Raj?
I'm not. You prove me that I'm talking to Raj. I can do anything.
Prove you
You
one.
texted me all this.
कब का प्रूव करूँ? कब का प्रूव करूँ? शुरू से.
Listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully.
Yeah, बोलो, listening.
One thing.
बोलो.
Yeah, listen.
बोलो.
Be in your senses first.
शर्म ना ये साली तेरे को?
What? What did you say?
हाँ? क्या सुनाई नहीं दिया? मारते क्या? उतना इजी है क्या? पूरा प्लानिंग करते?
What planning are you talking about?
He didn't came to your house? You guys didn't met in Pondicherry? Huh? He didn't came to Mumbai? Didn't you took money from him, gold from him?
What?
What?
You prove that I have taken anything from him, I can do anything. And you have written on text that you are supporting Yogesh. I'm going to file a complaint against you.
Yes, I'm filing already. It's gonna come. It's gonna come also. Why did you took him to your house? You tell me.
Which house?
Which house you took? Mumbai का, मंडी का, किधर किधर क्या है कि पता नहीं बोलो.
You tell me, na. You know everything.
You tell me, no. You tell me. You tell me. From past 8 months, you guys not only talking, no. You tell me.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not meeting him. I'm not talking. Whoever is giving you this shit, please reconcile with them. Okay? Yeah. Please give me all the proof.
So you didn't took him to your house. You didn't tell your parents. You didn't tell your parents. You didn't tell your parents that you want to marry him, that you like him. You didn't.
I can bet on my career, on my cinema. If I have ever done that, anything can happen.
I have done that. Wait. I can't hear you. Wait. Hold on. I haven't done that. बोले तो that में क्या होता है? घर ने लेके गया होता, पौंडीचेरी नहीं होता, मुंबई में मिलना होता, क्या नहीं होता? स्पेसिफिक करो.
He didn't met my family. He didn't met anyone. I haven't told he's my fiance. I have not done any of
He did not met your parents.
No.
Then why is this threatening? आपका सीएम आपका बाप का फ्रेंड है तो क्या है? मारते क्या थ्रेटनिंग दे रहे? If what are you telling to Raj also? CM is your father friend. तो क्या है? हाँ?
CM is my friend.
या जेल में डालते क्या? बेल नहीं आने देते क्या?
When did I say that?
Raj is telling, dude, you take him on conference.
He said what he said, Raj. What he said about me, tell me that first.
हेलो, तू क्या करते बोले तो क्या करते? चुपचाप से झूठ बोलते क्या मेरे को? डू यू थिंक आई डोंट हैव एनी एविडेंसेस? मैं किधर दिखाना क्या करना मैं वही करती हूँ.
I have nothing against. I have nothing against.
आपका पापा सीएम से फोटो लिया तो क्या है? तो क्या है बोलो? हमको क्यों डरना है? What is this threatening? What are you trying to do? Huh?
Listen, I have nothing against you. Whatever you are doing is not right.
What you are doing then? So you didn't took him to your mandi. He did not came to mandi. He never met you there.
No. No. Who told you this? Who told you? Tell me that first. Who told you this?
Okay.
I took cinema, so I took my trip for my career. Nothing is important than that. I told you he did not met my parents. I did not take him to my house. I did not take a single penny from him, and you are blaming my family. You are telling prostitution. What my brother?
It's you. It's you only chatting. No, your brother is uneducated. He'll not. He don't know how to text. Why are you doing these games, dude?
Listen.
कितना your brother MBBS किया क्या? बताओ.
Whoever is saying all this to you, they are criminals. Save yourself. I just have one suggestion for you. Please save yourself. Whoever
send Raj back to my home. Send Raj back to my home.
I told him to unblock you.
Unblock me. Send him back to my home. Till then, I am not stopping. आपका फ्रेंड आपका बाप का फ्रेंड सीएम होने दो कोई भी होने दो. आई एम फाइटिंग. किल मी इट्स ओके फाइन नो प्रॉब्लम. मैंने ऑलरेडी जो भी एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट किया और पूरा मैंने मेरा मीडिया एक फ्रेंड को दे दिया है और पुलिस को भी दे दिया है. दे गोना कम आउट इन द मीडिया. एंड मालवी मल्होत्रा डिड दिस टू मी बोल के ही बोलती हूँ, नॉट राज. डेफिनेटली.
लिसन टू
and police police will prove no that you guys met or no. Now wait इतना कैसा किया ये पूरा लड़की, उतना इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया मैंने. And you have no idea. It's not even about Raj now. It's about me.
Listen, I have nothing to do.
Yeah. See, I know about your lies also. You don't have to tell me. You really don't have to tell me. And he himself told me that he is, Pondicherry, Coimbatore or Mumbai or Mandika. He himself told me from his mouth. Okay?
From his mouth
Yes.
that he came to Mandi.
Yes, he came to Mandi, he told me. And he told me about Pondicherry, Coimbatore or Chennai. I mean, both are nearby. And he told me about the Goa as well. And
I haven't met him from last 6-8 months.
see, it's not about meeting or anything. He even told me about the Santo. And right now, I have your message history, your call history for both the numbers, your photos,
Yeah.
and and
I'm not wrong, not scared of anything.
no, it's not about scared or anything. See.
I have not done anything wrong to anyone ever in my life.
That's what. Till I show you the proof, till I got to know everything, you are simply saying I was not speaking. Now you are simply saying I was not meeting. After telling you everything, after you got to know that I have, now you'll say I've not done anything wrong.
I am not in touch with Raj. I've told you the whole story that because you called my parents and then after that I've stopped talking to him. I have no contact with
Okay,
Raj.
so what? Okay, could you please tell me what are those months from? I called your parents on October.
I think in September.
Yeah, September, October. So
Yeah.
November, December, Jan, February, March, April, May, June. अभी तक 8 months हुआ. कितना हुआ?
क्या हुआ? Yeah.
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 So these 8 months you haven't spoke.
I have spoken to him because of the promotions and everything. Then producer called me and that too after 6 months of gap. I think after February or something in March. Yeah. After that, 6 months we didn't even texted each other. We didn't even spoke. There's no conversation.
So I'll tell you the reality now. I don't care about the adultery. I don't give a fuck. It's okay. Maybe in the you ask your lawyer. Okay. Maybe in the law adultery is fine. Maybe it's not crime. But playing with a human and cheating a person is wrong. What Raj has done to me, it's just because of you, Malvi Malhotra. Today I'm telling you, and tomorrow I'm gonna come out and give the statement. Also, it's just because of Malvi Malhotra influence Raj has done to me, and whatever I'm doing, I'm telling you honestly. इसमें थ्रेटन और कुछ नहीं है. मैं करने वाली हूँ, ये करती हूँ बस. जो भी है tomorrow you do whatever it is. I am coming and showing everything with evidences.
I have chats of today. You texted me.
100%. When I lost a person in my life, I am on the road. I am literally, my life has become like this just because of you. And just because of your constant lies telling me that you are not talking to him. If you're talking to him also, only film. Tomorrow morning I'll prove you what I have. Simple. And then only you will get shocked. Simple. And abhi itna cyber itna aa gaya, you think you can make people fool. Tomorrow I'll show you. Sach kya rehta hai.
Okay.
Yeah. And you better call him and tell him the plan. He might also, think that she's dumb. उसको बहुत easily क्या बोलते चुतिया कर सकते बोल के ट्रिगर वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं ना. You tell him. उतना easily क्या.
See.
क्या सोच रहे आप लोग एक्टर से तो क्या है. हाँ what you guys think about yourself. आप क्या है मूवी के ऊपर प्रॉमिस करके बोल रहे हैं. अभी स्टिल योर कॉल इज रिकॉर्डिंग नाउ ऑल्सो. टुमारो मीडिया में मैं आपसे 6 months पहले बात किया वो बिट आता है. इसका पहले कॉल आता है. और अभी मैं बात कर रही हूँ, ये बिट भी आता है, विथ 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 फोटोज आता है. अरे क्या बोल रहे हैं मालवी मल्होत्रा लाइस. मेरा भी आने दो, मेरा टेक्स्ट भी आने दो, बराबर गुस्सा रहता है मेरे को. ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को इतना करने के बाद गुस्सा नहीं तो प्यार से बात करूं क्या? बराबर आता है, बराबर करती हूँ.
प्रॉब्लम विथ मी, बट
सी 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 इतना ओपनली बात कर रही हूँ मैं, वेरी ओपनली. एंड आई एम नॉट 15-16 ईयर्स का लड़की नहीं हूँ मैं. तेरा बात पूरा सुनने के लिए यहाँ पे. ओके, what you have done to me is wrong. You admit that, and I still have one night time. I'm not threatening, I'm not warning, I'm not requesting also. You did everything. It's you who should correct. Listen to me first. You did everything, you should correct it back. He has to come back, and after we get separated, tell him to go and fuck, stay with anyone, I don't care. बट जो मेरे साथ खेला है मैं उसको नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर गोना डू.
You just keep me out of it, that's it.
नहीं, I am not gonna. Why do you even think that after everything?
And use another person to create.
नहीं. So okay. So you didn't met him. Okay, मैं proofs दिखा के मैं बात करूँ क्या? आपको दिखाने का proofs ज़रूरत नहीं. कब किधर आना उधर ही आता है. You give your explanation there.
Okay, fine. No. I don't want to talk, and I blocked him.
But why? If you send him text again, he will be mad at me only, no?
So you told me ना that tell him that this you are married.
हाँ, शादी का बात ठीक है.
What?
शादी का बात ठीक है. If you tell him that.
वही बोला मैंने उसको. I told him that only. I told him that the same text which you sent me, that necklace wala. So I told him that, and then I told him I don't want to talk, and I blocked him.
See, I sent you the video. मैंने clarity नहीं है क्योंकि iPad से.
I didn't send him any videos. I didn't send him any.
हाँ, no. I'm telling you. It's okay if you send him also. He will get more mad at me. But
I will not. Why will I send videos? I don't need to.
See the screenshots which I sent you.
Lavanya, that I don't want to fall into any trouble because, see, I have nothing. I have not done anything wrong to you. So you send me text that I'll do this, I'll do that. You just, when we spoke in the evening, you said that you will not get success. I don't want to listen all this.
See, that's what no.
I've never said anything wrong to you. So you always do this to me. I've always been nice to you. I've always.
That's what no, but you are nice to me. But Raj is troubling me, no.
मैं क्या कर सकती? I can't control other person's behavior. I can control my behavior towards you. I don't know what is the equation between you guys. You stay together. I don't know what is going on.
See, I'll tell you.
Your drug case, your prison case, I got to know from my producer. I didn't even.
See, that's what my drug. See, please listen to me once. My drug case happened 5 months ago. This is nowhere related to all our life, and I am not involved also. That court मेरे को देगा.
I'm telling you.
That's what. You. See, listen, Malvi, listen.
Yeah.
When you told me that he was okay with me, he is happy with me, I said, बोला था ना, look at our pictures. Even we were happy.
Yeah.
And do you think so? Without marriage, do you think so? All our families were there in that video. They accepted.
I saw that.
Yeah, and I never revealed them outside till now, and I didn't even came out saying this, because I was protecting all these years. Just the love I have towards him. That's the only thing protect कर रहा है अभी. I have enough videos and photos to fight for myself. But he can't deny, no, he can't say lie that easily. That is very bad.
See, I'll tell you very honestly. I was in constant touch with him till the month of September last year. I think after 25th September, when I sent you that text, you remember when you called me and I sent you a long text. That day I blocked him and I blocked you and I wanted to stay away from all this. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, April, we got in touch because of some movie thing happened, because of the producer asked me to do something, and that's how we got connected. And that too also I'm not in constant touch with him. Otherwise, I have literally stopped talking to him last year itself. I have no idea what's going on between you guys and what's your equation. I got to know about your drug thing from people, like from producer or other people. I didn't even know it.
See,
So
that's
you
what.
can't blame me for your personal life.
That's
That
what.
is what my
See,
point is.
my drug case, I'm not blaming you. I will fight for it, and I will get justice.
No,
And
but for your personal life also, you call me, I have a sympathy towards you, that's why I answer your call. Otherwise, I don't need to, right? There's no compulsion, nobody's, asking me to
I did not sell drugs, or I did not involved.
what?
Even I won't sell drugs.
The guy who stabbed me is in prison from last 4 years because he committed a crime. That is no relationship or
So
anything.
Raj Tarun also Raj Tarun is also committing crime now. Do you?
What crime
Yeah.
is
See, so your mom and dad will not fight, kya? You tell me. Will
If
no?
a
I'm
lot of
general.
people
I'm generally
don't
asking.
get together and they get separated, it doesn't mean that you have to be with that person all your life.
Who said that? I'm asking you. Your mom and dad will not fight, kya?
Everyone fights. But
Exactly.
if the other person doesn't want to be with you, then why you are forcing him?
Forcing him 10 years.
Yeah, so you have a lot of life pending.
Hello.
Not only those 10 years.
No. I know how to. I know how to make him turn towards me. It's not that I don't.
whatever
That's
you
what.
want.
Yeah, that's
I
what.
don't
It's
want
it's
to
that's
do
what.
anything.
That's
I'm
what.
just telling you.
See. That's what. It's not that I don't know.
See,
Okay,
I really don't
so-
know what is
so-
going on between you guys. But
That's what.
being
at
a honest
least,
person,
see.
I told him, let's talk to her. That's all I did. And I can't just force people to just be with you if they doesn't want to.
Yeah, now you're sleeping with him, no? That's the reason he will listen to you. If you say to unblock him, he'll unblock me. If you say to him, block me. If you say leave her and come, he he has to.
He doesn't have his own brain. Do you think so?
Yeah, no. If he has, then why will he listen to you?
Why do you think that he listens to me?
That's what you said.
Why do you think that?
That's what he
We
said.
spoke from last 8 months.
अम्मा तेरे पैर पकड़ते हमको छोड़ दो, उसको छोड़ दो और एक लड़का को ढूंढ लो प्लीज, फॉर गॉड सेक.
See, I'm
I'll set. That's what. Even though you'll get incoming call, block or whatever. मैं रो रही हूँ ना. See, you will never grow in your career. Not just you. Any woman who'll do like this, no, they can never.
See, I have not done.
మీ బంగారం బ్యాంకులో ఇతర ప్రైవేటు సంస్థల్లో ఉన్న విడిపించి కొనబడను. కొమ్మూరి గోల్డ్ ఆంధ్ర మరియు తెలంగాణ.